Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 Cdti needs turbo no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 98,174. MOT, the 31st of January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. Engine starts and sounds perfect. Straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Very clean long wheelbase Vivaro. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,650 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.